Here I have HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro, and let me show you how to insert here Nano SIM card on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let me switch off the device, choose power off, touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and let's open the tray located at the left edge of the device right here. So you need to use some FamberTag or special eject tool. In my case, let it be the FamberTag. Let's just press into this hole right here. Excellent. Now you can remove the whole thing. And here you can insert two SIM cards. So let me use just one, the Nano SIM card, of course, with the characteristic edge right here. Let's just simply put this card into the first slot, and you can also use the second one if you would like to. If not, let's just press and push the whole thing into your device, push it to the end, as simple as that. And let me press power key to turn on the device. The HUAWEI Mate 10 Pro is switching on. Wait a couple of seconds. If you have some pin, you need to enter your pin, so let me do it. Tap OK. And that's it. This is the home screen, so let me just check if my card is working correctly. Find and select the settings. As you can see, my language turns into the language from the SIM card. So I need to also change my language. Let me choose System, Languages, and choose English. Sometimes it happens that the device received the language from the SIM card, and let me just check the availability of my SIM card. So here you should find and select the mobile data or the device connection right here, or wireless and networks. Let me choose wireless and networks. Of course, choose dual SIM settings. As you can see, the device is reading one SIM card, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.